Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this completely free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on OPPO and send on an Android. Following that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one file, like this photo. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on OPPO, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also input this key here and tap on receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!